It's a trail. Let's see how. Oh yeah. Better get across there pretty easy, but I don't know if I want to try. That's my drink. It's one of our trails. It's completely flooded out. Easy, bud. Can't go that way today, huh?